From the last couple of days in India, a news went viral that Chat GPT, the AI language program, can replace 20 jobs. The news sparked massive impulse in the job market. According to Indian media, Prashanth Rangaswamy, a user on Twitter, recently challenged GPT-4 to generate a list of 20 jobs that it can replace. Rangaswamy requested that the AI present the information in a chart format, including the job title, number, and human trait that would be replaced. The results were startling, as GPT-4 revealed that it has the capability to replace humans in 20 jobs. But actually, when we asked ChatGPT to write a list of 100 jobs that could be replaced by the program itself, the result was shocking.
We are furnishing here the screen recording, check it yourself.
As an AI language model, I can perform various tasks, and there are several jobs that could potentially be replaced by AI like me. Here are some examples: customer service representative, technical support specialist, translator, content writer, copywriter, proofreader, editor, data entry clerk, receptionist, virtual assistant, legal research assistant, paralegal, financial analyst, accountant, bookkeeper, tax preparer, real estate agent, insurance agent, sales representative, marketing specialist, human resources specialist, recruiter, training coordinator, executive assistant, project manager, IT administrator, software developer, graphic designer, web developer, social media manager, SEO specialist, PPC specialist, affiliate marketer, influencer, event planner, travel agent, photographer, videographer, sound engineer, music producer, radio announcer, TV presenter, news anchor, weather forecaster, sports commentator, scriptwriter, film editor, animator, 3D artist, architect, engineer, scientist, medical researcher, pharmacist, doctor, nurse, medical transcriptionist, medical coder, radiology technician, lab technician, teacher, tutor, curriculum developer, education consultant, librarian, museum curator, historian, archaeologist, anthropologist, sociologist, political scientist, economist, journalist, blogger, podcaster, YouTuber, Twitch streamer, voice actor, comedian, actor, film director, producer, screenwriter, talent agent, fashion designer, interior designer, hairstylist, makeup artist, personal trainer, nutritionist, life coach, psychotherapist, counselor, social worker, police officer, security guard, firefighter, paramedic, pilot, bus driver. Note that while AI like me can potentially perform some tasks related to these jobs, it's unlikely that AI can replace them entirely, as they involve a level of human interaction, decision-making, and creativity that currently cannot be replicated by AI alone. Additionally, some jobs require physical skills and presence, which AI cannot provide.
As we can see, after providing the list, ChatGPT itself admitted that with the help of AI, any of these jobs could be easier to do, but that can never replace the human virtues. But the question arises here is how far the workers having medium intelligence can survive. If you liked our video, please don't forget to like and share.
What do you think about AI and its future effects on our society and economy?
Share your opinion in the comment section.
To watch our next video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications.
Thanks for watching.